using a Magellan GPS device and have MGN map files to work with. These contain navigation map data for Magellan navigation systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and use these Magellan Maps files. My experience tells me that some MGN files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. An MGN file contains map data used by Magellan GPS navigation devices. These files store detailed geographic information, including roads, points of interest, and topographical features. Users encounter these files when updating their device's maps or loading custom map sets for specific regions or outdoor activities. The MGN format is a proprietary binary file optimized for rapid rendering on the limited processing hardware of GPS devices. It likely uses a compressed index structure to store vector and raster map data efficiently, allowing the device to quickly access and display the relevant map tiles for the user's current location. System file recognition for MGN is optimized for Magellan VantagePoint by Magellan GPS. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows lacks support for spatial layers, so external GIS tools are needed. To ensure maximum compatibility, right-click the MGN file and click Open With. Test Magellan VantagePoint if it appears. If not, choose another program. We are finding the specific software hook. If you are still having trouble opening the MGN file, do not worry. If your MGN file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, loading on Magellan devices. Connect your Magellan GPS device to a computer using the appropriate USB cable and use Magellan's Content Manager software, like Magellan Content Manager or Magellan VantagePoint. Transfer the MGN file to the device's map storage location through the application interface. The device automatically recognizes the new map data on next power up. Next, using VantagePoint software. Install Magellan VantagePoint software on a desktop computer to view and manage MGN map files outside the GPS device. The software provides map browsing, route planning, and waypoint management capabilities. Open MGN files through File Open and use the desktop interface for trip planning before transferring routes back to the GPS device. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use third-party GPS mapping tools like GPS Babel or specialized Magellan format converters to extract waypoints, routes, and tracks from MGN files. Convert to standard GPX format for use in alternative GPS applications and devices. The full vector map data is generally not extractable due to format proprietary nature, but routing data converts successfully. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagic is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagic.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.